You're here with me, Marvin. Yeah, I'm trying to clean the transmission for the BMW 318. As you can see,
vehicle breakdowns are caused by transmission problems, and shockingly, over
this is the
40%
fuse.
of those transmission
It's actually
failures
failing.
can be traced back to just one
So
critical
this is the first step. We wanted to check the.
solenoid. This piece
So
of
here we need to check the solenoids.
and when it fails, it can bring
It's
your entire
really taking long for it to pick up.
if your ship's
You have to rev
today.
for it to pick up. So, and this is my first time working on a BMW.
Warning signs before it's too becomes damaged or fails. It can compromise
So these are the solenoids that leads to a transmission failure.
around the solenoid to degrade or crack. When these seals break down, transmission fluid can start to leak out, leading to lower
Failing to move while the engine is running and revving.
engine light.
These are the solenoids.
Equipped with an onboard diagnostic
So we're trying to diagnose, clean, check.
of the transmission. When a shift solenoid fails to operate as expected, the
What number the value was it?
Elfu ngona unajua sama phone ifika. Pale ifi fuma namba zifike paka ona. Ifi.
Mana namba zifia kaini.
Deni hapa, pale mbele posha.
Mana namba vina yenaji. 165 ya nasa kwa. Kwa shanda calculate, case calculate. Kanonga ni pali nani kani if you say so.
Pale sha.